Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.